I'll just put it inside. Thank you. Chicken wings. Yeah. And we have chicken wings. Very nice shrimp. They just arrived. Are you Wilma? Congratulations. Thank you so much. From the Philippines? Yes. Sorry, it's a little bit messy today because we just received new stuff. Good for you. I'm so happy. I saw it last week and I thought, I need to go check and see. I'm so happy. Yeah, we just opened last September. Oh, good. Yeah, so yeah, every Friday we have like fresh tenders, we have the fresh vegetables, fresh new stuff, fresh meat. I'm so happy for you. Thank you so much. Yeah, it should be great this summer. It is, yeah, because knowing that. Exactly, the summer. Yeah. Feel free to look around. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Good to see you.